Hello, Keith here. Welcome back to my channel, Knowledge for Dummies. Today I'm going to share with you a secret recipe on how to cook Buddha jump over the wall, a traditional cuisine very famous in China as well as in Southeast Asia. Let's go.
For this dish, I've prepared fish maw, fish ball, Chinese mushroom, shredded garlic, shredded mushroom, broccoli, scallops, prawns, tofu, and a can of abalone. Let's start. You also need a little bit of leafy green vegetable to be put at the bottom of the stew pot. For a sauce here, you will need abalone sauce, chicken stock, 2 brands chicken accents, and one of these, it's optional but encouraged to put in, which is the Chinese wine, Fotiaoqiang. Stir fry the prawns and the scallops in the wok until the prawns turn reddish and the scallop turns oranges with the beautiful aroma coming out. Next, stir fry the fish ball and the fish maw in oil until they are rich in aroma. Next, stir fry the Chinese mushroom and the broccoli. At this stage, you can add in some Chinese wine to enrich the aroma. Last, just slightly stir fry the tofu to be a bit yellowish gold to enrich the colors. Last, stir fry the shredded ginger and shredded mushroom until it turns golden brown. First, put the most bottom layer with a little bit of leafy green vegetables. This is to avoid it to be overcooked later. Next, put in all the fish ball, fish maw, prawns and scallop at the second layer. It will look like this. The next layer, put in the broccoli and the Chinese mushroom. And next, put in the stir-fried tofu. The topmost layer, open a can of abalone and then add with the juice and the abalone at the topmost layer. Remember just how the shredded ginger and shredded mushroom? Add it into the pot too. Now I want to prepare the soup for the dish itself. So we add 2 cans of brand chicken essence into a boiled hot water. Three tablespoons of abalone sauce, 1 tablespoon of the chicken stock. Pour the soup into the stew pot. Make sure that it's about 70% full, do not go over. As this is optional, add 2 tablespoons of Chinese wine. Put the pot on the stove and then cook under a huge fire for about 5 minutes. And then turn off the fire to be a smaller amount and stew for another 40 minutes. Now it's finished 45 minutes, so we off the fire and then prepare to see the Buddha jump over the wall. Wow, it's piping hot. The smell is really beyond this world. It smells so delicious and succulent. Let us try. Put it on the plate. Put it on the plate and it looks very nice with all the good ingredients together in one plate. Enjoy! Alright, best regards from us, Chong, my wife and my baby here. Bye bye!